Did you know that boiling sweet potatoes directly in water is a big mistake? Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. With just a little tip, sweet potatoes will become sweeter than when baked, with an irresistible aroma. Autumn is when sweet potatoes reach their peak sweetness, the golden time to buy and store for the whole winter. Not only delicious, sweet potatoes are also considered a whole grain, rich in nutrients, low in calories, and even help lose weight if eaten regularly. First, when choosing potatoes, prioritize tubers of similar size to steam evenly. Large tubers usually take longer to cook. In addition, choose potatoes with a little dirt on them instead of being too smooth, and remember to pay attention to tubers that are round, evenly colored, and juicy. Those are the most delicious tubers, retain more nutrients, and give a softer, sweeter finished product. Many people still think that steaming sweet potatoes is simply washing them and putting them in a steamer. But in fact, to have fragrant, naturally sweet and soft potatoes, you need a little secret. And today, I will reveal the simplest and most effective way to steam potatoes. Let's explore with me right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, put the purchased sweet potatoes in a pot. Because sweet potatoes grow in the soil, the skin is often quite dirty. To clean, sprinkle a little baking soda on the potatoes. Then pour water over them. Stir well until the baking soda dissolves. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Soak for about 2 minutes. This method softens the dirt on the outside, making it easier to clean. After soaking, use your hands to scrub until the surface is clean. Scrub to remove all the dirt. You will see a lot of dirt come off. This way, each potato will be completely cleaned. Many people make the mistake of peeling the potatoes right from the start. Actually, that is a big mistake. If you peel the skin when steaming, the steam will seep into the inside, causing the sugar and nutrients to be lost, making the potatoes taste bland and less nutritious. So, when steaming, do not peel the skin just for beauty or convenience. Steamed potatoes without the skin will be less delicious and less sweet. Be careful not to tear the skin when washing. Keeping it intact is the real flavor. When washing, check carefully for mold or rot. If so, do not eat. Raw potatoes can produce aflatoxin, which is very toxic to health. Old people often regret their savings. See a big potato with a little rotten, cut it off and eat the rest. But in fact, it is very dangerous. Eating moldy food for a long time can cause serious harm to health. So if you see a spoiled potato, it is best not to eat it. Next, rinse under running water. Look at how clean and fresh the potatoes are. If you buy freshly harvested potatoes and don't steam them right away, leave them in a cool place for a few days to let the water evaporate. Fresh potatoes contain a lot of water. Only when the water is reduced will the natural sugars be released, making the potatoes sweeter. Dried potatoes are also easier to preserve, less likely to rot. The longer they are left, the sweeter they are, and can be eaten all winter. Now, place the washed potatoes on a cutting board. Cut off both ends. Anyone who often eats potatoes knows that these two ends are fibrous and less delicious. When you cut them, you will see sap flowing out. The fresher the potatoes, the more sap. After cutting them all, prepare a basin of water. Add a little salt and stir to dissolve. Now, soak the potatoes. Make sure both ends of the potatoes are covered with salt water. This step is very important, directly affecting the flavor. Soaking potatoes in salt water weakens the oxidizing enzyme, reducing bloating or reflux after eating. At the same time, salt water helps speed up the ripening process, making potatoes sweeter and tastier. The principle is similar to soaking pineapple in salt water to make it tastier. Soak for about half an hour. After the time is up, wash off the resin at both ends, then rinse with clean water and drain. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now pour water into the pot. Cover and bring to a boil. When the water boils, put the steamer in and arrange the potatoes on top. The key to steaming potatoes: only put the potatoes in when the water boils. Then, cover and steam over high heat for 15 minutes until the potatoes are half cooked. This method retains moisture, sugar, and nutrients. The steamed potatoes will be both fragrant and sweet, and nutritious. Next, reduce the heat to medium and steam for another 15 minutes. This will convert the starch in the potatoes into as much sugar as possible during the slow steaming process. Do not open the lid while steaming. Steam for 30 minutes. If the potatoes are large, it will take more time. When the time is up, reduce the heat to low and steam for another 5 minutes. Now, open the pot to see. Wow! Amazing! Each potato has cracked open, the sweet aroma spreading. The potatoes are steamed until cooked. Delicious! Let it cool a bit and then put it on a plate to enjoy. Try this way of steaming potatoes. You will definitely have sweet, soft, nutritious potatoes without losing nutrients. The beautiful yellow color, just looking at it, is delicious. The inside is not soggy, but soft and extremely attractive. Sweet potatoes are like a natural tonic. They are rich in nutrients, fiber, almost fat-free, low in calories. Eat a lot without fear of getting fat. More importantly, potatoes are very filling, a great choice for people who want to lose weight. In many countries, sweet potatoes are called longevity food. They help prevent constipation and prolong life. But do not eat potatoes on an empty stomach because the high sugar content can stimulate the secretion of stomach acid, causing discomfort and reflux. In addition, do not eat late in the evening because at night the body is less active, digestion is slow, easily causing reflux and insomnia. And do not eat too much, because potatoes contain a lot of starch and fiber, which can cause bloating. It is best to eat only about 300 grams per day. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, remember to like and share it with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you, goodbye, and see you in the next video.